Okay, so yeah, here is the demo. So basically, there are two scenes. This is the first scene, and inside this shows the second scene. So when I press enter, it's going to send a signal to Unity, and then Unity is going to change the scene to scene two. So I press this, and then the scene changes to scene two. Same here. If I press this, it's going to send a message. The UI is going to protopie. It's going to send a message to Unity to change back to scene one. And yeah, it's that. And so that's communication between protopie and Unity. Now, between Unity to protopie, when I collect the coins, it's going to send a signal to Unity is going to send a signal to protopie with the coin value. So once I hit a coin, it will send a signal to protopie that a coin has been hit, and here's the value one. And protopie is going to just keep on calculating the value and to also represent that in the UI. So if I go, you see the UI is changing and it's adding the values. Well, you get the idea, right? So yeah, if you want me to add more stuff, let me know. But this is basically how the demo will work. Mm.